Here's how to clean your DTF printer machine. Step 1. Set your printer to clean. Step 2. After setting the machine to clean, grab your DTF printer head cleaning solution and lint-free wipes. Step 3. Start wiping down the printer heads. Step 4. After cleaning the printer heads, grab a Clorox wipe and wipe down the ink cartridge area. Step 5. After wiping down the completion, get a syringe of cleaning solution to fill the ink head within the carriage area. Step 6. After cleaning is completed, make sure to turn off your DTF printer.